Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Uma. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Uma was also here. Okay, we started this chapter.
Yes, ma'am. We did it in electric charges.
Electric charges we are done. Yes. We need to start electric current today. Let everyone join first, okay? Wait for another 2 or 3 minutes. Let everyone join. Then we will resume class. Okay, class. Good evening, everyone. Arav.
Good evening.
Good evening, Arav, Arya, Charvi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Hemang. Turn on camera, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you yesterday, Arav and Arya?
Oh, ma'am, we had our other exams, so we were not joining the classes for the past few days. Not science and math. Science and math were the first few, that's why.
Oh. And did you get the marks of science exam?
Ma'am, science exam, not yet. Not yet science.
Okay. And what about you, Arya?
Ma'am, I got.
You got? Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, 66 out of 80, ma'am.
66 out of 80. Okay, where marks got deducted?
Ma'am, in the terms.
Terms like?
Ma'am, like specific terms, like in land breeze and sea breeze and that type.
Are you having a combined science marks, or your exam paper divided into physics, chemistry, and bio?
Ma'am, combined.
Combined. Okay. So what do you feel like, which part you are not, I mean, difficult for you to understand, or in which area marks are deducted mainly?
Ma'am, I think mostly in acid, bases, and salts.
Mostly in what?
Acids, bases, and salts.
Acid, basis, and salt. So how many questions were there from this chapter?
Ma'am, like 38. No, from that chapter, like
Hmm.
5 or 6.
5 and 6.
Ma'am, 5 or 6, yeah.
Okay, so maybe 10 or 12 marks total from this chapter.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
and
ma'am,
what-
they had like 5 markers and all for acid, bases, and salts. So it was like more than 12 marks for acid, bases, and salts.
Okay. So you must, both of you must be in same section, no?
No, ma'am, we have different sections.
But you were in different section. Okay. Turn on camera, Arya and Charvi. Okay, so whatever is the result, now focus on the next exam and just work on the area where your marks deducted. Okay, you know better what type of questions were there, and just focus on that area. Okay, and move forward. Okay, everyone. Chalo, let's start again. Arya and Charvi, how many times I need to say? Tell me.
Ma'am, one second. I'm getting my.
Charvi, are you there? Okay, so let's start next part of the chapter, electric current. So Arav and Arya, just a quick revision because you were not there in the class. So we started electric current and its effect. So first we discussed what is the relevance of electric current in our daily life. Yeah, sure, Charvi. Okay, so in every area of our life, whether it is home, whether it is education, whether it is transport, health, entertainment, safety, security, everywhere we are using electricity in one or the other form. Okay, so next, electricity move in the form of charges. So charge is the fundamental property of the matter, and we are having two type of charges. One is positive charge, other one is negative charge. So positive charge is due to the proton and negative charge is due to the electron. The value of the charge carried by proton electron is same. Both are carrying, if we calculate the amount of charge, both are carrying 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb, or this C is the unit of charge. So unit of charge is coulomb. In short, we write it C. Okay. And 1 coulomb is equal to charge of this much number of electrons. So if we combine this much number of electron, it's a big number of electron. So if we combine these number of electrons, so whatever the charge is carried by them, this is equal to 1 coulomb of charge. Okay. So now we are moving to electric
Ma'am,
current.
it's 6.25 into 10 power 10 or 18.
1.6 into 10 to the power, this one, 19.
No, ma'am, under that.
This is 1818.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so this is 1 coulomb of charge. Now we are coming to the electric current. So what is electric current? Anyone? What is electric current?
Ma'am, electric current is a flow of electricity.
Yes, flow of electricity, flow of electric charge through a conductor. Okay, and electric current is how much charge is flowing through a conductor in unit time. So basically, electric current is rate of flow of electric charge. This is rate of flow of electric charge. Rate means what? Wherever we are using this term rate. So rate means how much current is flowing in unit time. And this current obviously flowing through a conductor. Okay. Current we are denoted with capital I. And charge we are denoted with Q. So symbol of current is I. So this is how much rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor in unit time. So this is Q by T. So this is the formula to calculate the how much current is flowing through a conductor in unit time. Okay. So what is I here? I is the current. And we measure the current in ampere. So ampere is the unit of current. Q is the charge. What is the unit of charge? Yesterday I told you. What is the unit of charge?
Ma'am, Coulomb.
Coulomb, yes. And the symbol, we denoted Coulomb with C. And T is the time. And we are calculating this time in seconds. Okay, so what does it mean? It means if 1 coulomb of charge flow through a wire in 1 second, it means the current is 1 ampere. How will you define 1 ampere current? So 1 ampere means 1 coulomb charge is flowing in a wire or in a conductor in 1 second. So this is the definition of 1 ampere. Okay, if there is a question, define ampere. So how can we define if 1 coulomb of charge flowing through a wire or through a conductor in 1 second? So this is the 1 ampere of current. Okay. Now there is very interesting point. What is the direction of the current? So direction of the current is always what is direction of current? Direction of current is opposite.
Opposite
Yes.
terminals.
Opposite to the direction of electrons. Okay. So if electrons are moving, suppose we are having a wire A to B. So if electrons are moving in this direction, the current will move in this direction. Okay. If the direction of electron is A to B. So what would be the direction of current? It would be B to A. It is always opposite to the direction of the electrons. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how we can measure the current? There is a device to measure the current that is called ammeter. Current can be measured by ammeter.
Ma'am, then what is voltmeter used for?
Voltmeter is used to measure the voltage. Okay, and there is one more important thing. This ammeter always connected in series. Just note it down. I will explain what is series and parallel combination. Okay, just note it down for now. Okay, and what are the applications of these current? Applications are like every electronic things work on the because of the flow of current, whether it is bulb, your fan, any heating equipment like heater, geyser, everything like electronics also like phone, computer, everything because of the flow of current. Okay, do you know how much current draws by a mobile charger?
Ma'am, not more than 100 watts.
Current. What is
Ma'am,
the power?
is it like 32 amp?
What? How much?
32. No, ma'am, it's less than 20 I guess.
Any other guesses?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay. So mobile charger. Draws only. It's a very, very, very small amount. Now any guess? Very small.
Ma'am, below 10 amp.
Yes, below 10. Very good. How much below 10? Only 1 to 2 ampere. Okay. This much current only a mobile charger is drawing.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up, ma'am?
Small bit up. Why you were late?
Ma'am, there was no internet in my area.
In your area?
Yes, ma'am, like there was no internet, like
Okay,
the wires are getting fixed on this.
Okay, everyone is having online classes now, so all the internet consumed. Yes. Yes, Shens.
Not like that.
Gotcha. Then why? Wiring problem.
Yes, ma'am, like from recent 1 month is happening, ma'am.
Which net you are using? Jio? Airtel?
After,
Huh?
ma'am, after Airtel, ma'am, yeah, Airtel.
Airtel. Okay. Are you using 3G or 4G or 5G?
Ma'am, I do in my computer. It's no, I don't know exactly in my computer. I don't have data obviously, but in my mother's phone, it's 5G.
Okay. Very good. Now, who will tell me what is this 3G, 4G, 5G, 6G, 7G, 8G? Acha, everyone to
It's the
must
power
be.
of internet.
It's about obviously it's about internet only. So must be aware now what is 2G, 3G, 4G?
Ma'am, it's like it's about speeds, I think.
What is G in after the number?
Ma'am,
4G.
gigabytes.
Gigabytes.
Ma'am, gigabytes is GB.
Yes. What is the difference? Like some like in one space you are having 4G and the other space you are having 5G. So what is the which is better? And we are working on 6G also. So soon you will get 6G. So which is better like?
Ma'am, the higher the number, it's that much better.
So what is the difference like between 4G and 5G, 3G and 5G? What is the number? Because in class, though, the lower the number, it is better. Na? If someone is
Ma'am,
getting
like signals.
first position and someone is getting 10th position or 6th position, which is better? The first one, na?
Yes, ma'am.
But here you are saying 1G is not better, 6G is better.
Ma'am, is it about the signals?
Signal means what? Which
Ma'am, like
signal?
I'm not sure.
In 4G, you are not getting signal.
Ma'am, like the ratio of the signal connecting to the nearest internet source will be faster.
Yes, faster. Speed. Speed is the thing. Because if you are using 2G in your mobile or 3G in your mobile, so difference will be the speed. Okay, so this is the question. Just read out. Okay, what is 3G, 4G? This is your homework question.
Okay.
Okay. Read about 4G, 5G and chalo 4G or 5G padna. Okay. What is this 4G or 5G? What is this? Internet? Of what?
I'm like,
In which context we are using these terms?
in the
4G,
speed of internet.
Ma'am, in the Sims.
SIM maybe, yes. In SIM also we are using 4G SIM, 5G SIM, yes. And once you're having Wi-Fi connection, so usme bhi this word is there, 5G, 4G, है ना? And so 6G is also on the way. So very soon, I believe you will get 6G internet also. Okay, so one point is clear. This is related to somewhere speed. Okay, so the newer version, जैसे होता है ना आपका, like phone maybe you are getting new version, updated version. Okay, similarly, this is the updated version of your internet. So it is related to speed, of course, but like how it is related, what is G? What do you mean by G here? It is not gigabyte. Gigabyte is GB, megabyte is MB. So this is not gigabyte, but what is G here? So just go through. Okay, in just brief, just get an idea. Okay. Okay, so how much current mobile charger is drawing? Mobile charger is drawing only very small amount of current, that is 1 or 2 ampere. Okay, everyone, once you sit in car, you start the engine of the car. Okay, this is also need the electricity. Okay, the self-start wali jo car hoti hain, they are also electric engine. So how much electricity an electric engine is needs to start?
Mom, I know it's a lot.
Obviously, it's more than the mobile charger, but how much, like, any idea?
I'm like 50 to 55 something.
More than that, just double it.
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay, around 100 ampere. Okay, and there is a natural phenomenon which is called lightning. Okay, during lightning also there is a production of energy, and during lightning there is huge current. आपने देखा होगा when there is a lightning, it is advised to sit under the shade, don't come out in open area, because lightning, it is having like thousands of ampere.
Ma'am,
So,
yeah, this is like saying, ma'am, like if it collects electricity or current of 100, we can charge our phone for years, ma'am. Say like 1 year, like that.
Acha, tell me one thing. If we are having so much electricity in lightning, I mean natural source we are having during lightning, so why can't we just collect this electricity from the lightning? Why we need like thermal power plants to or hydropower plants to make this electricity? Yes, Hima.
No, we can't like depend on the source of lightning, because in the source of lightning, the current will be too much, which may damage certain areas if there are
Yes.
not proper resistors.
Yes, very good. So we can't use free electricity. Okay, we need to we use the electricity through a passage only. Okay, through a circuit only. Or this is free electricity. So we can't use free electricity. That's why. Very good, Hima. Okay, so lightning is also a huge current, like thousands of ampere.
I'm always connected in the world.
What?
You wrote ammeter, then below that always connected things.
Always connected.
Uh,
Acha, ampere.
In series.
yes, ma'am.
Are you like in this way also? In series or parallel connection, we will discuss. Just let me finish electric circuit, then we will discuss series and parallel connection. And then I will ask question, okay, why we are not connecting ammeter in parallel connection. Okay, so there is an open question for you. Okay, Acha, just do a numerical. I told you the formula. Electric current is how much charge is flowing in a minute or in a particular time. Clear? So suppose if a bulb draws, note down the question. Suppose if a bulb draws, say, 0.5 ampere coulomb charge. 0.5, if a bulb draws 0.5 ampere, मतलब current है. Okay, so you have to calculate how much charge is flowing in a minute. Okay, so these kind of basic numerical you can have in your exam. So formula you know, I is equal to Q by T. Just put the values and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, just a minute. I'll be back.
Sure. Yes, everyone tell me the answer.
Ma'am, so isn't it like 16 to 5 or something?
What? 16.5?
16 to 16 to like 0.5. That but I didn't solve it. I'm doing it right
We solve it first now.
now. Yeah, this.
I'm writing the formula also. This is the formula. And what we supposed to calculate? We supposed to calculate this charge. So charge would be I into T. Now put the values.
Ma'am,
And I will check everyone's notebook, okay? So please do it in your notebook. Yes, done.
Ma'am, is it 0.6?
0.6. Show me a notebook. Yes, Emma.
Ma'am, I think the answer is 30. Can I show my process?
1 second. Let me check Omar's first.
Ma'am, even I got 30 second. I mean 30 charge.
From where you got this tea?
Ma'am, a minute, 60 seconds.
Yes, Uma. Yes, Emma, show me. 30 kg, 30 gram.
No, ma'am, I didn't know the units. I just wrote whatever I got.
I told you now what is unit of the coulomb. Note C. Note it down. C. See. Look at here.
Ma'am, I got this.
Unit of charge is coulomb. Yes, show
Yes,
me.
ma'am, I wrote.
Very good. Who else are done? Arav.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done. I'll
Okay,
show you.
show. Very good. And it's Arav, it's capital C. It's not a small c.
Okay.
Okay. Shreyans, what about Uma? Correct your answer, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I read this also.
Oh, Shreyans got a brand new chair to sit.
Actually, that was a wooden chair, ma'am. So I was having back in there.
Oh, same here. And at this age, you are having back pain, huh?
Actually, not a proper back pain. Actually, it's hard to sit on that chair.
Start doing yoga,
Yes.
some exercise. At this age, if you are having back pain, so what will you do at my age? Huh? You have to
I'll
sit.
start.
You have to sit like for like if you are in you are from business family or the what is the profession of your father?
Ma'am, he's a legal head in a company.
Okay, so he's supposed to sit like 8 to 10 hours in a day. You know? So what will you do?
Ma'am, in school also we sit 8 to 10 hours a day.
In school, you are also sitting, yes, true. But sitting like you are free, like you are not mentally engaged in your school. Okay. But once you are in job, so there are a lot of engagements. Like, yes, show me. Oops, itni calculation. Yes, correct. Okay, everyone, Charvi, you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm not done yet.
Why?
Ma'am,
What?
I corrected it.
Okay. Now see everyone, this is very simple numerical. So what we supposed to do? Just a second. Value of I is given 0.5. Time is given 1 minute. So we have to convert into second. So how many second in a minute? So 60 second. So it would be 30 coulomb. Okay. So Q will be 30 coulomb. Clear? Everyone? Okay. Now we are coming to electric circuit. So why we need the electric circuit? We need the electric circuit so that we can use the electricity. Okay. So these are the main components in the circuit. So there is very basic circuit we are having in our syllabus. So very few components like switch, battery, wire, and the light bulb. Okay,
Ma'am, but there is no resistor in this circuit.
In this circuit, it is not there, but we will do the resistor also. Okay, so very basic simple diagram in our syllabus. Very few components we are having. So first we are starting with the cell and the battery. So what is cell and battery? Cell and battery basically, see first the difference between cell and battery. So cell, if we are having only one cell, okay. Battery, when we are having combination of cell. So suppose we are having this arrangement. So this is cell. And if we are having combination of this, so this is battery.
Right.
Okay. Now, what is the function of this cell or battery in a circuit? So, cell or battery, basically, they provide the voltage. Okay. And I mean, they provide the potential difference. Better use word potential difference. So, this cell and battery, why they are providing current potential difference? What we will do with this potential difference? For current flow. Okay, so what does it mean? It means when we started chapter, I told you there is a, like we are having water, flow of water, flow of air. So similarly, we are having current flow, flow of current. Okay, suppose we are having two sources of water. This is condition 1. Okay, and they are connected with a pipe. Okay, so this is the pipe. These are the two container and this is the pipe and they are full of water. Clear? And there is one more condition. Again, we are having two container also full of water and connected with pipe. Now you tell me, this is our first arrangement. This is arrangement A and this is our arrangement B. In which condition water will move? This is your from container 1 to container 2.
Ma'am, container 2.
No. In which condition? In which condition? Condition A or condition B? In which condition water will move from 1 to 2 container? From container 1 to container 2. In which
Ma'am,
setup?
in the B. In the B, ma'am.
setup. Yes. Why in B setup? Why not in A setup?
Ma'am, because how can the water flow if both are at the same level?
Yes, very good. Very good. So for maintaining the water current, water always flow from higher altitude to lower altitude. Okay. If you are, water will not flow if the level is similar. Okay. हमेशा mountain से पानी आता है नीचे, यहाँ से ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है पानी. Okay. So water is always flowing from higher altitude, from higher surface to lower surface. Similarly, air. From where air flow? Air always flows from a high pressure area to lower pressure area. Okay. So to maintain the water current. So इस condition में, इस setup में there will be no water current. Means there will be no water flow. बस इस condition में there will be water will flow. Okay. So what we supposed to do to maintain a flow of water? We supposed to maintain a height difference. Okay. What we supposed to do? We supposed to maintain a difference in height. Okay. If there is a difference in height, only then water will flow. Clear?
I have a doubt. Ma'am, in the setup B, ma'am, the first beaker is having a pipe right now. So how will the water climb the pipe and then go down?
क्या?
I mean, like how will the water go up the pipe from the first beaker, ma'am?
Because of the water pressure.
Okay.
Okay. So normal condition में if we are not using any motor, if we are using motor, so in that condition, so water can draw from a ground floor to second floor, third floor to anywhere. But in normal condition, water is flowing from higher altitude to lower altitude.
Okay.
Okay, so to maintain a water current or to maintain a water flow or to create a flow of water, what we supposed to do? There should be difference in height of the water column. Okay, similarly, if we want to flow the current, what we supposed to do? We maintain a potential difference. Okay, that the same thing cell and battery is doing. If we are not having this cell or battery, the current will not flow. Why? Because there will be no difference of potential. So everywhere current is similar, so current will not flow. Getting my point? So potential difference is important to maintain the flow or to start the current flow or to maintain the current flow. Okay, so the function of cell and battery, whether it is one cell or whether it's a group of cell, so function is to maintain or to provide the potential difference to drive the current. Okay, and this potential difference, this is also called voltage. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? This is also called voltage. Yes. Clear? And how can we show the cell? So there will be two lines. One is smaller and one is bigger. The smaller one is represent the negative terminal and the longer one represent the positive terminal.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Everyone? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is connecting wire. So this is the first thing. Second thing is connecting wire. Okay, that we will continue next class. Is it clear?
Yes.
Whatever we discussed today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and don't forget to find the answer of this question.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Although this is not related to syllabus, but it is always good to get extra knowledge. Okay. And through, because of you, I will also get some knowledge about 4G and 5G and 6G. Okay.
Mom, once could you scroll down?
Scroll down, yeah, sure. Where?
Mom, here only, Mom.
Done?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, everyone. So enjoy your Sunday weekend. See you next class.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. And utilize your Sunday to get the answer of this question.
Bye, Ma'am. Thank you, Mom.
Okay, bye bye.